Welcome to Lesson 7.1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to solve linear system by using a method called graphing. In the previous lessons, you already mastered how to solve and graph a linear equation. Now, we're going to put everything together. When we say together, we mean we're going to graph both of them on the same coordinate plane. Let's graph this in red. Y-intercept is -2. -1, -2, that's our first point. Slope is 1, which means we're going to go up 1, go over 1. So we're going to land right here. Now, connected. Okay, not too bad. Now we're going to graph this one in yellow. Y-intercept is +2. Slope is -3, which means I'm going to go down 3 steps, go over 1 step. So down 1, down 2, down 3, over 1. Did you see this yellow point landed right on the red point we just made earlier, right? Okay, now we're going to connect it. Now, we graphed red and yellow. Did you see this point? I'm going to call this point P. This point P is a point on red line, also a point on the yellow line. If you're a point on the line, that means you're a solution of that equation. So which means this point is a solution of y equals x minus 2, is also a solution of y equals -3x plus 2. Let's read this point. This point is 1, -1. 1 is x, -1 is y. Therefore, we can say we just solved it. X is 1, y is -1. You can also just write as 1, -1. All done. All right, let's practice a little bit more. This method is called graphing. We solve linear system. Our next practice is y equals -3x plus 1. And the next one is y equals x minus 7. Pause this video, see if you can try it all by yourself. And come back, we can discuss this. All right, I'm going to graph the first one in red. Y-intercept is 1, so that's the first point. Slope is -3. -3 over 1 means we're going to go down 3, go over 1. 1, 2, 3, over 1. Remember, mine is just a quick sketch. At home, if you have a graphing paper and ruler, that'll be really good. All right, I'm going to graph y equals x minus 7 in yellow. -7 is the y-intercept. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. I'm out of boundary a little bit. I'm just going to add it and erase this part. Okay, not too bad. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -7 is right here. Slope is 1, which means 1, 1. I'm going to go up 1, go over 1. Up 1, over 1. And then going to connect it. Now, remember earlier we discussed if you found a point of intersection, then this point is a solution of equation y equals -3x plus 1, also a solution of equation y equals x minus 7. Why is that? Because if a point is on the line, that point is a solution of that line. Now, all you need to do is to read this point. See, what do you have? Do you have 2, -5? Remember, this is a coordinate pair. X is 2, -5 is y. Therefore, you can say we found the solution. X is 2, y is -5. You can simply write as 2, -5. This is how we solve linear system by graphing. Come back, see me again, because I'm going to show you other method. Happy learning!